How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over how to attach your Raptor Visor Extender to your Raptor Visor Bar. So for example here, I have our Raptor Visor Extender, so you'll have your two extender pieces, and then you'll have your included hardware here, along with your visor strips. So the first step here will be to hook in your Raptor Visor Extender. Now this simply slides in on the inside of your Raptor, just like so. So let me get it lined up here. So you'll see that the two edges of your Raptor Visor Extender will fit on the inside of your Raptor Visor Bar. So once you do that, you can go ahead and flip your Raptor Visor Bar over, and then you're ready to attach the screws here on the back. So you'll have 4 screw holes here for 4 screws. And I went ahead and put my screws together here. Again, you'll get your included hardware in the kit. So I'll go ahead and get these 4 screws hooked up here. Now before you tighten down your screws here, you'll want to figure out what fitment is best for your vehicle. So you'll notice that your Raptor Visor Extender will slide forward and backward just a bit, so you can figure out what works best for your vehicle. Now once you have that figured out, you can go ahead and attach your visor strip here, which simply slips on to the end of your Raptor Visor Extender. So I'll go ahead and attach that here. So once you have your visor strip attached to your Raptor Visor Extender and you have decided how far forward or backwards you need to move your Raptor Visor Extender, you can go ahead and tighten down your screws and you are ready to go, and that should help with any extra flashback you may get off of the Raptor Visor Bar. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.